of the snowstorm. So, by the way, this is actually happening right now. So I'm deciding to make a Toca Boca story out of it. So, it's still snowing. Why does it look cozy? Shut up. Sorry, I just got mad. Watch my other video, the concert, because that's to mention. Oh my gosh, the concert was so fun. I even got these. They're very fun. These light sticks. Well, I'm gonna head to bed. So, like, let me just... Where's my PJs? Give me a sec. I see our PJs. Okay. Now it's time to go to bed. Today was actually a fun day, so good night, world. Okay. The next morning, brain rooting. Can I put this on this desk? Please? No, don't go down there. Yes, Slay. Okay. I'm up. That alarm is so loud. I can hear it from like a million miles away. Put that there. And today I'm supposed to get my package of the skincare thing that I'm supposed to do with my mom. Yeah, well, I'm not going to shower in the morning today because I don't feel like it. And also, I'm really tired. So I'll probably just be in a casual fit. Should I put on this one? Or this one? Any, many, many, mo. Catch a tiger, bye. It's toe. If you hurt him, let him go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Okay, just put this back. Can I? Okay, thank you. I'm gonna crash out. Okay. I'm gonna bring my wallet with me downstairs because when my package comes, it's gonna go there. Downstairs. And I didn't prepare for this, so I gotta go prepare it. So, yeah. Y'all, I started this role play at like 8:40, and now it's 8:44. 4 minutes just to find a hair mask. Like, mask. Because it actually took that long. I could not find it. Toca Boca, please make a section where, like, you can find all the things that you can, like, you need. Because I need it. I need that. Anyways, I'm with the wrong play. What's wrong with me? Wow, it's such a beautiful... Oh, wow. It's snowing. I'm gonna... Open the door! Okay. So this is for me. Yes, this is for her. Open the... Oh my gosh, give me 1 sec. Open the door! Hi. Don't even give me that attitude. I'm in a stressful day. It's been snowing all day, and I don't feel like it. And I'm cold. I mean, I made you some coffee. That looks good. Thank you. I'm just going through a rough day today. Girl, I get it. So, here. And I'll take my package. Okay. Thank you. You're the best. Fresh coffee. Bye. Oh, wait, yeah. You need to sign this. Oh, yeah. I forgot about that. Do you want me to come inside? I'm sure. She signs it. Okay, that's great. Bye. Oh, my gosh. Do you guys even see any of that? I'm sorry. I feel bad. I swear, if one of this is my mom and dad's freaking baby stuff, I will cry. I'm gonna cry because I'm gonna need my face mask like right now. Oh yes, my face mask. I'll just leave my card there. You got to be kidding me. I literally said do not be one of this. Okay. Boom, giving that to my mom and dad when they wake up. Ugh. And I don't know why. There's just a stack of cash right there, so we're not gonna. Ooh, I'm bringing the pink one. I am not the biggest fan of pink, but I do like pink a bit. Yes. Wait, no, I should be changing in here. Time to change. There we go. Breaking news, breaking news. Give me one sec. When is he going? Breaking news. There's going to be a snowstorm. It's warned that you should not go outside or go anywhere today. So, on with the weather. My iPad almost turned off on me. Oh my gosh, a snowstorm? Okay, well, not going out today. Like, I'm not about to die. Okay, well, I guess I'll give this to my mom. Hopefully she gets up quick. Mom, Dad, a package came in for you. Oh, is it a baby stuff? Yeah, that's disgusting. Yeah, I'll just go upstairs. Oh, and Mom, our skincare came in. Okay. Slay. Okay, give me one sec. Okay, so then there's gonna be a snowstorm, so we can't really go out. Oh, okay. You make yourself coffee? Yeah, I'm old enough. And plus, we got a coffee machine that makes us instant coffee. That is true. Okay, well, let's go upstairs. A few hours later, all the clothes were just like floating in air. I'm crying now. No, I'm not crying. That was just funny. So yeah, guys, don't mind the noise. Some of you might ask why the mom isn't going to like doctor's appointments if she's pregnant. I don't have a hospital and I have no place to like empty houses to make a hospital. So yeah, you're gonna have to deal with her. Just pretend she goes to doctor appointments, okay? Please, for the sake of me. OMG, what was that? I'm scared because my house doesn't have a heater and I have no heater. I'm scared. Mom, Dad! Mom! Okay, pretend like she's like running for her life. Mom, Dad, I'm scared. What, sweetie? I'm scared. I heard a big crash. Now I'm scared. Sweetie, it's gonna be fine. No, I'm scared. Do you want to sleep with us? No, Mom. I'm not a little kid anymore. Then I don't know what to tell you. Go back. I love you, sweetie, and good night. They'll kiss each other on the cheek. Okay, well, sweetie, take off your face mask soon because you're gonna need it. Okay. But Mom, I'm still scared. Okay, sweetie. I'm scared. And it's also really cold. So, I'm gonna just try to go to bed. Okay. Okay, so she's at bed now. So they all went to bed and it ended up being okay. So yeah, get into it. She didn't go to school tomorrow because it was like snowing so bad. So yeah, that's the end of the role play. Bye guys, love you.